Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can change photo order after posting. To start, open your Instagram account and then we need to post multiple photos. So now after selecting multiple photos, we can select also the music that we want and then just tap on next. We can now share this to our profile. So now after posting these photos, maybe we want some changes. So what we can do now is just to tap on these three dots. And then you can see right here this option, edit. Just tap on that. We can now make changes to our post. We can add some product details, we can tag people, or we can add some descriptions. But to change the photo order in a post, what we can do now is just to tap on this delete icon. We can delete the picture that we don't want to see on our post. So now just tap on delete icon right here. You can delete all the pictures or the images that you don't want to see on your post. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!